Hey, good morning. Welcome to another episode of JB Outdoors. Man, today we're fishing off the coast of our home state. We're fishing out of Georgia, finally. It's been a while since we've been offshore at the coast of Georgia. Been doing a lot of offshore in Florida, and earlier in the year, we were tuna fishing out of Venice, Louisiana, so check out that episode. That was a trip of a lifetime. Hey, this morning we're actually fishing with Mr. Ben. His social media is Humble Turnings. The guy makes stuff out of wood, everything out of wood. Might even have a fishing pole we're going to use out of wood today. No, I'm just kidding, whatever. Anyway, he's got his family with us. We've got JT and Mariella and Ms. Lori with us. 3 of this group never been offshore before, so it's going to be a fun day. Y'all come along with us. JB Outdoors.
We were able to get these 9.
JB Outdoors, look at that, baby, fish. Oh.
You will mix up your product until you get to that point.
There's something fishy going on with the guys at JB Outdoors.
All right, quick introduction before we get going this morning. And there's Ben, daughter Mariella, who looks enthusiastic, and there's Ms. Lori and JT. So as we get off here this morning, we're going to go catch some bait. And if you're familiar with the coast of Georgia, we're coming up here with Sapelo Island on our left. So really pretty ride out this morning. We got to go get some bait, so we'll do the best thing we can. Is we'll use our best friend, the birds, to put us on the bait fish this morning.
Don't step on that rope now.
And as we mentioned earlier, it is the kids' first time offshore fishing, so we're going to put them right to work catching some bait. We'll let them haul in the cast net and bring the bait into the boat for us.
Goodness. Get in there.
Now, when we were catching bait this morning, one thing that was really cool, we actually picked up a couple ballyhoo. That's the first time I've actually caught some live ballyhoo in a cast net. Man, can't be on a fishing trip without an Uncle Willie's snack stick, right? JB Outdoor approved.
Well, we made a good little run at first, and we stopped and got some bait. It took us a little while. We had to get on them, but once we got on them, we got them. We got, how much would you say in the back?
About 20, 25 pounds of bait fish.
Bait fish, and
Got about 3 swimming right now.
yeah, we just pulled up to our spot, and we got some swimming in the water. We're gonna see if some kings will come and hit it.
So you're gonna be first on when we hook up with this fish, right?
Yeah.
You excited?
Yes.
Yeah, you are.
Yes, but yeah.
A little nervous?
Yeah.
All right. So as we trolled for a couple hours off the coast of Georgia, we had absolutely no bites, no nibbles, no luck at all. So we're going to switch things up a little bit. We're kind of guessing that maybe that tropical storm that came up off the coast of Florida turned off the fishing this morning. We're dodging some rain showers and really overcast conditions today. So we'll go inshore and see if we can catch a few sharks this morning.
That's a shark when it shakes his head like that, right? Hold him up like that.
You got him?
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh man. That was a good one. Okay. Yeah, he's same size. Asians are harder fighting. He's going on his picture now. Thank you. It's right in the corner of the mouth.
Got it? 1, 2, 3.
We're doubled up. Oh yeah. Yeah, there it is. You don't like it. Hold on.
Y'all keep sweat.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Mama and Mr. J next, right? What now? I know, right? Can't tell you about Hey. There you go, Mama. You said reel it in? Get out in the deep water and we're looking for some kings and nothing ever bit, so we came on back in and we were looking for some sharks, and so we get on them. We catch about 20, 30 as a collective total, and myself I caught about 10 or 12.
Man, the sharks will wear you out, won't they?
I will.
Mariella, how was your day? Okay. All right, Mr. Ben.
Oh man, it was good. We got a lot of rod action. We don't have any meat, but it's all right. It's not always about that. We
That's true.
Had a good team building and just family unity. So
Good day
not
on the water.
everybody's
We
happy,
made it back
but
safe.
I feel that's the biggest thing. Just had good family time.
Hey y'all, that's going to wrap it up for today's episode of JB Outdoors, fishing off the coast of Georgia. Man, had a really great day today with the Andrews. Like I said, they, for their first time offshore fishing, I think they really enjoyed it. We had a lot of rod action today. It was not the targeted action we were looking for with the Kings and the Spanish, but we did have a lot of rod action with the sharks today, so that was fun. Stay tuned, as in the next couple of weeks we'll be dragging the Cape Horn down to Florida. We'll be fishing off Alligator Point, and we'll have Blizzard and Sun joining us again. And we'll also have some special guests on those episodes too, so you will make sure you want to join us back for that. Hey, as always, we appreciate y'all for tuning in. Thanks for supporting the channel. And as always, thanks for watching JB Outdoors.
Thanks for watching this episode of JB Outdoors. Please follow the guys on their social media pages. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe to the channel.